YouTube. It's been a while since the last video. It's been a lot going on, a lot not going on. We'll get into it today. I gotta change out the fuel screen. In my last race video, got about 10,000 RPMs. The bike sort of shut down on me. I'm gonna try to upload that footage. I don't know how. My editing software is messed up. But anyway, we'll figure out some kind of way. I'd like to show you what it looked like going down the track when your bike bogged on you and everything. We're gonna, the cheapest, easiest thing to change out was a filter, and it's a screen. There was no videos to show how to do this, of course, but I looked at some other videos and that made sense. So I'm gonna try to take this. I came in here to get a Phillips head screwdriver. So yeah, I already got the bike broke down. Getting ready to take the fuel pump apparatus assembly and all that with the gauge and all that electrical. Getting ready to pull that out. It's 5 bolts to take out. Getting ready to take that out and then sort to disassemble the mechanism and everything to try to get to where the screen is at. I'm also going to drain this gas out to see if it might be dirty. But anyway, I think I got to, if it's not that, then the fuel pump's going out. If it's not that, then I definitely have some of the electrical wiring. I need to get a wiring harness. So if anybody know anything about that, let me know. But yeah, other than that, just stay tuned. And yeah, so that's where we at. I already got it broke down. We're already set up over here to, and I'm gonna drain the gas out, and yeah, we'll go from there. Yeah, so winter didn't come last year, a year ago. At the same time, man, we had like 3 inches of snow out here, and yeah, I rode to work this morning, and yeah. So here we go. So you got these 5 bolts. Remember when you would take it out, the fuel line is pointing at you. What I didn't do yesterday was remove that bolt, that screw, and that screw, and then I don't know from there. We'll learn together. Meanwhile, see what we're working with here. Well, I'm glad this shit is waterproof. Oh man, I really need to replace this gasket. The gasket needs to be replaced. O-ring right here. It's trash in here, man. Oh my God. I don't know if you can see this or not, but that sump is full of, well, I mean, you know, it's pretty bad off. So yeah, that's what's got my bike at 10,000 RPMs, trying to suck up gas. It can't do it. I think the fuel pump is good. Let me hurry up and put this back together before I fucking forget. Let me show you. That's what the new one looks like. It's gonna go on just like that. I don't know where that bottom piece went to. I don't know if that's even supposed to be on. I don't know. But anyway, here we go, man. This was some of that was trying to suck through. I changed out the filter, the screen. It just went on. It just pushes on. I took it off while I took the other one off. I took off this little plastic apparatus because I don't see that it serves any purpose other than getting in the way, and this one doesn't have it on there, so that's probably part of the package. And again, like I say, I'm learning all this together. But that screen, that's what the new one looks like. This is the old one. Looking at it, I can't see through it. It's pretty clogged up. So. Alright. Get back to that. I'm gonna get back to the reinstallation since that's been done. Reinstall it how the same way we took it in. Yes. That is cleaned out now. Better, a lot better than it was. I can't get all that crud out of there, and I don't want to spend any more time. It's not too bad. It's way better than it was. There's no biggie, heavy flakes or anything in there. That's all that stuff I dug out of there, plus plenty more. So let's hurry up so we can get back out here. On the right. Test and tune Thunder Valley. That was like I said, the blue one went onto the right side. I just put these back how I found them. Nut, washer, wire attachment, and then there was that little spline washer down on the bottom there. So tighten that back up. Also, I also learned how to set my shift light, so you won't get a shift light coming on at 10,000 and now come on at about 13. I mean, right at the red line. Red line nights. This one, it went over the piece, and then this one on the outside of it. Oh shit, okay. Ground, I guess. I don't know, we'll figure it out the other end. I'll get all the technical details later. There it is, for 0405. That was like the big first gen. That screen was replacement. This shit was nasty. Got to replace. Let's put it back together and let's fill her up. And let's just find out what's going on here. Of course, we got to get the shinko. I've had people ask me about the stern damper. That's the first piece. Bracket that holds this piece. But the stern damper, let me show you how that works. The piston in here, and I got it turned up high because I do a lot of high-speed pulls. That's turned all the way down. That allows your steering wheel to go back and forth with pretty good ease. And it's a piston and that's as loose as it can get. So I got mine turned up, not all the way, and it's hard as hell. So that, anytime you try to get any tire wobble or anything like that, I turn it down when I'm just making a lot of good turns. Then I turn it back up when I'm doing high-speed pulls. But I usually leave it about right there, like I'm doing high-speed pulls. Always adjust as far as I can to the left, leaving as much space because it'll tighten up. I mean, you got to make space to the right, but if you have that too far in, you go back to turn this way and it'll bottom out. Good. Yeah, that's one nasty, burnt up. You can't even see through it. You should be able to see through it just like that. And you cannot. So let's say that was a problem. Not, we know how to change the fuel pump now. We know how to change the screen. The fuel pump is just right there. Everything is back up. Okay, so I haven't been doing any shooting videos lately because my camera mount, that's why I hadn't cleaned the bike or done anything. So I gotta get the new camera set up. The gap cam that I had for the rear, I reduced weight by taking that piece off, so no more gap cam. Plus it was crappy. I want a new setup anyway. Let's see what we got. I did reset my, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. But hell, let me go ride.